Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use Magic Grab in Canva. So here I am in my Canva home dashboard, and in order to be able to use the Magic Grab, you need to have a Canva Pro account. Because if you have a Canva free account, the feature will be grayed out, and when you click on it, Canva will offer you to use a Pro account. So let's start. So first, I will create a blank presentation right here. And then, in order to use the Magic Grab, you need to upload an image. So for example, I will go to Uploads, and I have this image right here. So I'll just insert it in the presentation and then adjust its size. And then, to use the Canva Magic Grab, we need to edit the photo. So just click on Edit. Then from here, you will see the Magic Grab right here. So click on it. And then, once it has finished loading, you can click on the subject of the photo and then click on Grab. And then we'll just wait for it to finish. And then now that it has finished loading, we can move around the subject here on the image. So this is the feature of the Magic Grab. You can grab the subject of the image and then rearrange its size like that, move it anywhere around the image. And then if you want to edit the Magic Grab feature, just go back right here. And then since we have already used the Magic Grab earlier, now we just have this chair right here. So I'll just undo the changes. And then I will go to Magic Grab again. And then instead of using click, we can use the brush. So from here, I will turn on auto detect so that it cleans the brush that I insert here. And then I will just insert the subject right here. And then the chair as well, so that I can grab all of the subject right here. And then let's wait for this auto detect feature. Now we can grab this and then now we can grab the whole subject of the image along with the chair, and then maybe insert it right here at the center. And then that is it. That is how we use the Canva Magic Grab. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.